Hi, this is Kathy with 3-Minute Piano Lessons, and I'm starting a brand new playlist. And this playlist is really for just pleasure, for writing music and getting it out there for you. Under my 3-Minute Piano playlist, it was really a curriculum. That's what that was designed for the very beginning learner, going all the way through a strong intermediate level there. So this one will be putting a lot of that all together. So if you know how to play the piano, if you followed through a lot of those lessons, you'll be able to play this song. In fact, I'll include this song, the music, in this video. It's called the Trickling Waterfall. It's in the key of C. So it's not too challenging that way. I do have some full chords going in the left hand, scale patterns falling in the right hand, C scale, as well as a pattern of third intervals falling down. So hey, I hope you enjoy listening to it and following along. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye-bye.